vision,
integrity,
communication,
teamwork,
organization,
resilience.
You've got to have a yes attitude.
yes,
Yes!
you need to play to win. Winning is the greatest thing ever.
victory!
Hi, I'm Julie, and welcome to the Victory Series. Today we'll be talking about organization.
1, 2, 3.
This is a soccer relay. They're going to work as a team. One person's going to dribble all the way down around the cone and back. Eventually, they're going to form a chain, so it takes some organization skills in order to complete this task.
In the workplace, you'll be responsible for more than one thing. It's important to organize yourself and present yourself in an organized fashion.
Organization. Time is precious. An organized person is more efficient, has more time for the things that they enjoy.
Organization is the only way that you can be successful. Multitasking, time management.
We're talking about managing your time and being flexible.
If you're not organized, you're not going to be able to accomplish those goals that you want.
You got to know how to plan, you got to know how to schedule, and you got to hold yourself accountable for the work that's been assigned to you.
It doesn't just happen by itself. You have to plan for that. You have to be responsible.
You're going to sit right down on the dock. Make sure you keep a good center of balance, feet into the footholds.
An organized person is flexible. They have a plan, but they also have a plan B.
You have to be able to serve customers. You have to be able to answer phones. You have to be able to listen to what's going on to your teammates.
You are an employee in training right now.
On your mark, get set, go!
Once you get into the working world, understand people are doing more with less. You're going to multitask to get jobs done.
Successful people plan, practice, and persist.
All of these skills need to be learned and practiced.
An organized person has more time to enjoy themselves and enjoy the other things in life. You can practice being organized right now. In high school, it's very important to manage your time wisely between the sports or activities you may have and between your studies and the time you spend with your friends.
Organization.
Victory.